Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the just give me a second here. Yeah, previously we had discussed about the check constraint, right? Today we'll be discussing about the indexes basically. Indexes, right? So let's go with the definition first. What is an index? An index in the SQL server is performance tuning structure that follows faster retrieval of rows from the table similar to the index in the book, right? So it's simple to understand. Index is SQL server. In the SQL server is performance tuning structure that allows faster retrieval of the rows from the table, nothing but faster retrieval of the rows from the table similar to the index in the book, right? So this is fine. So now let me explain this. When we have a query, when suppose when we query a large table, right? SQL server normally scans every row. We know this one, right? Full table scan. It does full table scan. Basically, what does index do here? Index stores key column values in the sorted order, allowing SQL to jump directly to the required rows, making select, join, where, and order by operations significantly faster, right? So this is what the index do. So there are two main types of index. One is clustered index and another one is non-clustered index. So when I say clustered index, it determines the physical order of the data in the table. Only one such index is allowed in the table. It determines the physical order of the data in the table. The second one is non-clustered index. Uh, it is nothing but it separates the structure pointing to the data rows. It separates the structure pointing to the data rows, right? So let's go with a simple example. I'll just go with a very simple example. You'll understand this one clearly, right? So let me go with use sorry, this has to be YT. This one, YT test, the database that we have created, right? So now let's create a sample table. So I'll just go with a sales table here. I'll just go with create table sales here. So this is fine. So within the parenthesis, what we do first is sale ID. So I'll just go with primary int primary key. This is fine. Let me go with a product name here. So this is nothing but let me go with a product name here. Name, I'll just go with varchar of 100. Varchar of 100. So this is fine. So I'll just go with sale ID, product name. Let me go with two more parameters, nothing but amount and sale date, right? So I'll just go with here mm, amount. So this is of the type decimal. So I'll just give here 10 comma 2. Two decimals is enough. This is fine, right? 10 comma 2. So and also let me go with sale date and let me go with the type date here. Date, right? So this I have to give comma man. Yeah, now this is fine. So this is it for the query. This is it for the query. Now let's do one thing. Let's insert the sample data, right? Let's insert the sample data and also let's create the non-clustered index on the sale date and let's use the index in the query. So let me paste certain things over here. Just give me a second here. So I'll just come here. Let me paste it over here. We have inserted the sample data here, right? So we have inserted the sample data here. We have already created the sales table here with the parameter sales ID, product name, amount, and sale date. These four things, right? So we are going with these four things, right? First here we have mouse, basically sale ID one, mouse, product name, amount, this one 500, and the sale data is this one, right? 27 2025, right? So same thing goes with this one as well, keyboard and monitor as well. So now we have created non-clustered index on sale date. We have created non-clustered index. See here, we have clearly mentioned we have created the non-clustered index on the sale date, right? On the sales date. And also we are using the index in the query. See here, we are using the index in a query. Select start from sales where sale is equal to this one we have given. We have to get the solution accordingly with the index, right? Accordingly with the index. Basically the output that we need to get here is 2 because this one we have given 2025, this one 2107 2025 sale date, right? So accordingly with this index we are uh, getting the details, right? So we are getting the details accordingly with the index 2, accordingly with the index 2, accordingly with the index 2 based on the date that we have given, based on the date accordingly with the index 2 basically. If I run this one, if I execute this one, what happened here? Unclosed question mark after the character string, this one, where line 14. What happened here? 2 I have given correctly. This is keyboard, this is fine. This is fine. Hmm, what is wrong here? Just give me a second here. 1 second. So we have given here a single inverted comma, right? What's wrong here? So let me remove this one and give this one again. Now let me execute this one. Yeah, this is coming now. This, what was wrong? Basically, I didn't understand. This is fine. Now we are getting the output correct, right? Based on the index, we are getting the output basically. So I'll just quickly explain this one. Index sales, this one, where is it? 1 second. So here idx underscore sale date, whatever I have given here, this speeds up the search on sale date. This speeds up the search on sale date. Basically we have made use of the non-clustered index here, non-clustered index underscore sale date, whatever I have given. So this one speeds up the search on sale date. So without the index SQL scans all the rows. Without, if I wouldn't have made use of this one, without the index SQL scans all the rows. With the index SQL quickly locates the matching entries, exact entries. So that is the reason we have got this one. We will get this one basically faster. This basically we get this one faster. With the index SQL quickly locates matching entries. With the index SQL quickly locates matching entries, right? So this is fine. I hope the indexing part is completely clear, man. Very easy to understand, right? Basically what happens when we make use of the indexes, it improves the data retrieval speed by storing stored pointers to the actual data. So we have to create the index or create create index basically boosts the performance for read heavy operations like select, right? Read heavy operations like select, right? So we are done with the indexing part. Now as we are done with the indexing part, next let's move on with the unique indexes part. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.